Most family forest owners, so this is small, typically low intensity managed forest, will come to certification through a group. Now, you can also become certified independently. And so there's two routes for certification. Independent certification, where you do it all on your own, or become a member of a group. So the biggest difference is, probably the biggest difference is cost. Let's say you have 150 acres and you want to have your own certificate. You don't want to go through a group, okay? So you have to then apply, if you will, you would go to the certification system that you're interested in. You go them directly. They have a list of companies typically that actually do the field work for them. These are called certifying bodies. These are independent third-party entities or businesses. You would contract with that organization to come out and do an audit of your property. They look at your management plan, they do a field audit for you, all that kind of thing, and if you meet the standards, you would be issued a certificate. Now you've got to do that every year. So there's an assessment audit done every year to make sure that you're continuing to follow the standards and that kind of thing. And so all of that involves a cost, of course. It's not free. So there's a fairly significant cost to having somebody come in, do that assessment, process all that, and then come back annually. And those fees could be, in some cases, several $1,000s. Okay? And that's why most landowners, particularly small landowners, are going to go. The route to certification for them is going to be through a group. So in a group sense, you have to be a member of the group, and that may be free. Okay? It could be a very small fee. And the reason they can do that is because they're distributing the cost of this annual auditing, and all that's got to be done amongst all the group members. So as a group member, you wouldn't be audited by this external body every year, only periodically. And because of that, you drive the cost down. So that's why most landowners, and it's particularly here in the East, and family forest owners are going to come to certification through a group.
With the Tree Farm program, we actually have 3 certificate options. The first is through our state tree farm programs. We have state tree farm programs in 44 states, and individuals may be certified through those state tree farm programs. The other option, or another option, is our independently managed groups, or what we call IMGs. In these instances, the IMG is operated by a manager who holds a third-party certificate on a group of landowners that organization is working with. And our third option is we provide the opportunity to be certified with an individual certificate, so a single landowner may pursue their own certificate. However, these group models are a more affordable option for small-scale landowners.
So specifically for family forest owners, we certainly recommend that group certification be the vehicle for certification that helps bring the cost down. A family forest owner can be part of a larger group of family forest owners, spread the cost of certification across that set of owners, and also have the assistance of a group manager to meeting the requirements of the standard. There are many group certificates that exist in the United States, and we really recommend that you contact our office, the U.S. office of the FSC at info@us.fsc.org. Share with us your location, the scale of your operation, which markets you typically access, and we can put you in touch with a number of group certificates that would be most applicable to your situation.
Within the SFI standards, there are basically 3 avenues to certification, and all of which require third-party verification or auditing. The first one is forest management. Certification to the SFI Forest Management Standard requirements address the basic principles of sustainability that assure the future of our forests and benefits wildlife and biological diversity, water quality, aesthetics, and other attributes. SFI has a unique fiber sourcing requirements, which means that certified mills have minimum requirements for the fiber that they procure, even if that fiber comes from non-certified sources. And this is a unique aspect of the SFI standards. The third avenue is chain of custody certification. So chain of custody requires an accounting system for fiber flow. from certified and non-certified lands to primary and secondary producing mills and manufacturing entities. And it means that the chain of custody certified participants can make claims about their product and the associated management for meeting the principles of sustainability. This claim is communicated to the marketplace by way of SFI on-product labels that allow consumers to make wise purchasing decisions that support responsible forestry and assure the future of our forests.